everyone. So glad to learn a lot of talents here. Suraj Dhawan Saab is behind this program. So as he said, our association is about 15 years old. And he doesn't need any introduction, but this event, I think, is designed by Surajji. We you heard about love gurus, management gurus, but Suraj Saab is an exhibition guru. We all in EPC have learnt exhibitions from him rather. Good to see you all, and we are in fact used to address larger gatherings in seminars. सेमिनार्स अच्छा होता है ना, जो हम बोलते हो आप सुनते हैं बस हो गया. But this is a training kind of a session with a smaller group and there could be a lot of interaction and very talented guys. अगर hidden talent इतना है तो work life में कितने talented होंगे आप. So I thought my presence should not be 1 hour here. I should have stayed with you in the evenings and enjoyed your talents. Some are cooks, some are soul healers, some are dancers, some are poets. But anyway, hope Suraj Saab will give us an opportunity to stay in one of the evenings to know your talents. So Sunday morning, thanks for the invitation, an opportunity to meet all of you. My topic today is associations, how to manage associations. Yes, managing, supporting associations. Let me see what I can talk about association and what I can present before you. And I believe many of you are also from the associations background, working in associations. And why associations are important for exhibitions. EPC I represent, as I said, EPC itself is an association, you might be knowing. Though we call it as an Export Promotion Council, basically it is an association of exporters. And my presence is more relevant, I find, here, thanks to the organizers who have invited EPC to this session. We are an association plus we are exhibition organizers. So combination of both. But a lot of associations are now coming into exhibitions, but EPC has been doing exhibitions for almost 4 decades, I can say. Mostly we focus on international exhibitions. Thanks to Surajji, who helped us to organize exhibitions in India as well. In the last 15 years we have been doing exhibitions in India. So EPC's core area is not exhibition, is getting into exhibitions, but earlier its core area is to export promotion. And our job is to promote exports of engineering products. You have EPCs for many sectors under the Department of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, to promote exports from India. There is a need felt by the government that an agency is required to drive exports. I don't think any other country or many countries do not have, because when they start their industry, they think of exports, but our Indian entrepreneurs is not so enterprising in exports. When they start an enterprise, first they think of domestic sales, then they think export as an option. So that is the reason why, even though we have a huge manufacturing base, we have we can say India is a manufacturing hub amongst in the world, many countries in the world next to China, but still our export share is about 1.5 to 2%. So a need is felt that there should be some agencies who have to drive exports. So पहले तो बहुत कम था, अभी तो at least we are doing well, reaching about $800 million in exports. though it's very small compared to the size and capacity what India has, but still we are going in that direction, contributing about 30-35% in the GDP. So our core strength is that export promotion, and how organizing exhibition, because why we need to this course of promoting exports, say we are an association of exporters, we have to help our members get into exports, increase their exports. So in that connection, exhibition is one of the tools. We have to identify them buyers. Amongst many other functions, identifying, reaching out to the global market is one of the core areas amongst many functions we do. And organizing exhibitions is one of that. And we do feel nowadays, as Suraj Saab will also agree with me, there were many avenues for companies to reach out to their buyers earlier. Exhibitions were one of them. But nowadays, exhibition has become more prominent, because that is the only way you can think of reaching out to buyers. Though now digital format has come into fore, earlier people used to visit countries, have one-to-one meetings with the help of embassies or international trade bodies. But now exhibitions have become more relevant, because that is the place where everyone in that sector meet. Whether it is not only a buyer-seller forum, it is also a place to talk on technology, even releasing of papers, presenting of papers, releasing of books. So everybody in that, for example, recently an exhibition happened in Hanover. There I have been visiting Hanover Messe for more than 1.5 decades, but it has transferred into such a way it now never remain as a B2B platform. Everything on automation, robotics, subcontracting, energy, whatever you say about engineering sector, that happens there. New projects are launched, technologies are presented, books are launched, buyers, of course, buyer-seller meeting happens, showcasing the capabilities of the country. हमने क्या किया, देश अपना power दिखाता है अपना. That kind of transformation has happened. So EPC as an organization has now made this as our main activity rather. So we are an association, and a lot of associations are getting into this kind of an activity. Of course, we have other functions. अरे बाबा मेरा फोटो आ गया चलो. So why I think this topic has been made part of this curriculum. I feel it is how is associations, because this is a training session. I think most of you are either exhibition organizers or supporting, working in a supporting environment for exhibitions. Why associations have been involved? Nowadays, what even everybody, some senior people I see, because I heard them talking, we have gone into more specialization nowadays. पहले हम छोटे थे, age wise I am with myself and Suraj Saab was senior here, I can say. When we were young, there used to be doctor hai to MBBS hai. जनरल फिजिशियन. सो धीरे धीरे क्या होता गया, देन we when we started growing, maybe during our college days, I we f- there were in postgraduate doctors like MS and MD, so we call them specialized doctors. So अभी even in small towns specialized doctors भी नहीं है, अभी सुपर स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर्स हो गया. कोई कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट हो गया, कोई नेफ्रोलॉजिस्ट हो गया, कोई न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट हो गया, हाँ, गेरियाट्रिक वाले हो गए और स्पाइन वाले हो गए. सो थोड़ा एलिमेंट हो गया, चक्कर आने लगा तो हम न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट पे जाते हैं. सो इवन इन द एग्जीबिशन फील्ड दैट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हैज टेकन प्लेस ओवर अ ईयर, ओवर अ पीरियड. अभी we are exhibitions have become more and more focused nowadays, more and more focused. So when there is a focus, because general exhibition abhi aapko, because I can only talk about international exhibition because EPCs has more exposure in international exhibitions. कि अभी हम डेवलपिंग नेशंस, थर्ड वर्ल्ड में जाते हैं, अफ्रीका में जाते हैं, वी सी ए जनरल इवेंट जहाँ ये भी प्लास्टिक भी बेचते हैं, फूड भी बेचते हैं, इंजीनियरिंग भी बेचते हैं, मशीनरी भी बेचते हैं. बट व्हेन वी गो अप द लैडर, व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वर्ल्ड्स, you get into more specialized and super specialized exhibitions on the product sector. So when we think of specialized ones in India, baby, you don't find general exhibitions. If you look into the calendar of events, you don't, because there is my friend from IMTMA, they are doing on machine tools. There is something happening on subcontracting. Engimac एक machinery पे होती है. Medical devices, there is an exhibition. Pharma, there is an exhibition. Electrical, Electrama, there is one construction में बड़ा exhibition होता है. All they are now more super specialized. So when there is a super specialization, the role of associations come into place, because associations are many. But for when a group of people form a cohesive group for common objective, you can call it as an association. If you are a worker, workers, you call it as a trade union, and anybody can form an association. But if you want to have a legal power, an identity for that association, then you have to form it as a legal, give it a legal form by registering it under any act of the government of India or the state act. अगर ट्रेड यूनियन वाले फॉर्म करते हैं तो क्या होता है? ट्रेड यूनियन होता है, एसोसिएशन ऑफ वर्कर्स हो गया. कुछ एसोसिएशन होते हैं कि कुछ some are registered under the Companies Act, some are registered under the Societies Act. But when they are registered, you have a legal power for it. There is an identity for it. Otherwise, there is no identity. If you want to buy a property, you want to fight a case, you want to make a representation, लीगल नाम तो होना चाहिए किसी को. लीगल नाम आदमी के लिए होता है, बट ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के एक लीगल एंटिटी बनाने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव रजिस्ट्रेशन. सो रजिस्ट्रेशन सब करते हैं. सो वी हैव अ डॉक्टर्स, प्रोफेशनल बॉडीज का एसोसिएशन होता है, इंजीनियर्स का एसोसिएशन होता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का एसोसिएशन होता है. बट आवर फोकस इज नॉट those kinds of associations. We are into exhibition field. Of course, doctors association to लगता है, because when you want to do it in an exhibition in a medical or a pharma field, involvement of doctor association will be there. Of course, if you are into construction equipment का कोई exhibition करते हैं तो definitely contract association will be लगता है. But association का काम, see for example EPC का काम क्या है? Export promotion and organizing exhibitions is one of the areas, which to promote trade. क्योंकि हमको export बढ़ाना है, exhibition से export बढ़ती है, that's what we understand. But various other associations, they have other functions. Why they form into association? There could be many other reasons. Alone I cannot help myself. कोई हमारा सुनता नहीं है. So people form a group से लड़ेंगे हम. So lobbying with the government. If Thane Industry Association writes to the industry minister and chief minister under its letterhead, हमको इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में रोड ठीक नहीं है, वाटर सप्लाई ठीक नहीं है, गुंडागिरी दादागिरी चल रही है, अपना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रेट ज़्यादा है, फ्यूल टैक्स ज़्यादा है, वर्कर का प्रॉब्लम है. An individual cannot. If we reply, who listens? So when an association goes, there is a representation. So lobbying के लिए use होता है. Then lot of associations also look for self-development, कि training करते हैं, self for their industry. Somebody has to do. There are organizations like this who organize, but more than this, professional bodies, majority of the training and development for industries are being done by associations. EPC as an association, we have regular training and seminars for their people. Educate करना पड़ता है. That is a major objective. Because when they form an association, their bylaws itself says, because whether it is whatever society or companies or whatever act, you have bylaws and they write what are my activities. And there are standard bylaws also, which it is a regulatory part. हमने association कर लिया, हम जो भी whatever we want to do, we will write and we will do, ऐसा नहीं है. Association में एक template होती है and they form the bylaws, and these whatever education and training, networking, standards बनाना अपना industry के लिए, and even testing. Most of the work nowadays, the more relevant for you is the industry association. Government of India or government of Maharashtra or any state government, they have their mandate is to support the MSME and the industry, but they cannot give funds to the individual industry directly. So most of the schemes nowadays are there to develop common facility centers. So testing का हो, training का हो, developing exhibition complexes हो, or taking a group to exhibitions. We approach state government. I was in South before coming to Bombay 10 months back. We approach state government. For the support. We approach government of India for the support. So with the support of government of India, there was an association called SIEMA in Coimbatore, where we helped them develop a smart pump. क्या होता है? There is a feeling that our export growth is plateaued now. अभी इतना है कि नहीं बढ़ रही है. So they have found out two reasons कि technologically we are not doing well, upgradation. And they found out that we are focusing only on few countries. ज़्यादा हम spread नहीं कर रहे. So technological growth करना चाहिए. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा MSME है. They are not investing in R&D. But government cannot give particular industry पैसा ले लो और technology upgrade करो. See, it is public money cannot be given. Public money is given only to the group Pump Association. So there they developed a pump, smart pump, high efficiency pump. 20 लोग आ गए, they contributed some money, 80% was given by Government of India. So they developed a pump. So now 10 people took the, what is that we call that, IPR or R&D, whatever is the research. So it belongs to, property belongs to those 10 people. They are developing the smart pump. They are competing with big European companies. So this is how associations, government provide support. Similarly, a lot of associations get money from the state government, from MSME department, from the Department of Commerce to develop common facility centers. Common facility centers क्या होती है? Testing होती है, prototype development होती है, non-destructive tests होते हैं. Every time new softwares are coming up. उसके लिए for an MSME, it's very difficult to buy that. Each MSME को एक रखना चाहिए. So when an association pitches for fund from the government 10%, 20% आप contribute करो, हम 80%, 90% दे दिए, सब मिला के वो चलाओ. So now the associations, industry associations are more focused into all these. एक exhibitions, कुछ exhibition में they are not very competent, so they associate either with various different exhibition experts like you people from where you have come, and common facility center development, R&D development, training, testing, our standards, information dissemination, lobbying with the government, ये सब उनका major activity बन गए. These are all, you might have heard about these associations, industry associations, professional body associations, वो सब area wise industry body में भी you can see ठाणे का है, you can see अंधेरी का एक association है, वासी का है, अंबरनाथ की है. I am trying to learn, I am new to this place. The name is my colleague Adil knows by heart all the associations here. ये सब geographical association होते हैं, product wise होता है, pumps association. When I was talking about SAIMA, it is for association for the pump industry. There is an association for an automobile industry. So आपके लिए these associations are very important because exhibition is moving into super specialization and exhibitions are happening for product sectors and we need to look at those sectors. Tool and die association, मैं engineering का ही बात करता हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा दूसरा sector, plastic machinery association, pharma machinery association, drug manufacturer association, contractors associations. So these are functional based on the product sector. There are association. There is a colleague from IMTMA. This is for a machine tool manufacturer association. So they are, for example, IMTMA, Elecrama, they have their own event. And they have developed over a period of time expertise in organizing events. But there are many associations, smaller associations, industry, state-wise association, city-wise association, state-wise association. For example, Kasia, Karnataka, small scale, it's a state. Entire MSMEs of the state come here. So these associations have not developed as an exhibition organizers. So those are the important association, the experts, the organizations who conduct exhibitions like you from where you have come. You need to focus. I just, these are all, and there are, even in the trade association, there could be, you might have heard about Chamber of Commerce. What I have found, but it doesn't specify in their bylaws, especially chambers. In most of the chambers are mostly trader based, what we have found. And industry associations are industry based. What our experience is, there is no, I cannot say it as a gospel, but I would say our industry associations are more relevant to us rather than the chambers of commerce. EPC as an organization use chambers, maybe one for organizing seminars, because their membership base is huge. We have both traders and manufacturers coming together. And we use their infrastructure, we organize seminars, training sessions there. But when we think of promoting an exhibition, think of organize something on technology, think on something on quality upgradation, trade, exhibition, B2B, then we normally reach out to industry associations. Because there, the requirement is, we find requirements in them, and we reach out to the relevant people there. So what happens, हमारा भी industrial growth, whether it is made like that, it is grown like that, it has grown sector specific. When we think of reaching out to an association, we know where is the concentration of our industry. अगर ठाणे में हम जाते हैं, what is the concentration there? So किसके लिए हम वहां जा सकते हैं? If I go to Pimpri Chinchwad, I know for what I should go there. If I go to Nasik, okay, ये तो industrial association होगा, even the towns. If I go to Nagpur, I know what. If I go to Coimbatore, I know for what. If I go to Bangalore, we know what is there. So this helps us. Suppose I am doing an exhibition for going to Vietnam or EMO or IMTS. So this is a machine tool sector. So when I think of organizing any promotional event, reaching out to the industry over there through an association, I will definitely not go to Coimbatore, not go to Pimpri Chinchwad. I will definitely go to Peenya in Bangalore. I will definitely go to Tirumudi Vakam in Chennai. Because there I see a machine tool, accessories, concentration. Whereas if I have to reach out to an association for organizing an auto related, naturally my focus is Chakan, my focus is Pimpri Chinchwad, my focus is AIMA in Chennai. So that is how our reach and approach also depends on what type of association. यही देखिए हमारा स्लाइड में ये भी टाइप्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन लिखा है. सो गुड की यू शुड मेंटेन whenever we are reaching out. Linkages तो होती है, हम तो करते हैं, तो आपको you too also doing it. We need to maintain the database of all the associations, geographical area wise, industrial area wise, and product sector wise, and specialized product sector wise also. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एसोसिएशन में अलग होती है, सेमीकंडक्टर एसोसिएशन अलग होती है, कास्टिंग एंड फाउंड्री एसोसिएशन, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फाउंड्रीमैन, इट इज एन डिफरेंट एसोसिएशन. इन इंजीनियरिंग ओनली. मशीनरी में आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल अलग मिलेगा, मशीन टूल का अलग मिलेगा. सो सेक्टर वाइज, स्पेशलाइजेशन वाइज, एरिया वाइज, सिटी वाइज, स्टेट वाइज, and the central level association होंगे, CII, ASSOCHAM, FICCI, and you might have heard of export promotion councils, SPI, commodity boards. अगर एक्सपोर्ट का है तो we need to reach out to us. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे मेंबर्स जो होंगे वो सारे एक्सपोर्ट वाले, ऐसा नहीं है. Exporters are there, but their domestic, business is also there. From 10 to 90% export hota hai. Similarly, 10 to 90% in that fashion, the reverse way, if you say it is domestic. So whether you do domestic exhibition or you go in for export related events, overseas events, you have to reach out to export promotion councils also. So you need to maintain the database, the contact details of all the associations. Again, you will find two types of people there. One are the real owners, the trustees of the association, the office bearers we call, where they contribute money and build an association. But unka to business rehti hai. They will not come for day-to-day activities. But they are temporary, they will be here depending on the bylaw or the rules of that association. They are either 1 year, 2 year, unka committee hoti hai, managing committee hoti hai. So, president, so we need to update our records कि कौन अभी आज का दिन का कौन president है, आज का दिन कौन secretary है. And there will be around subcommittees. कोई exhibitions देखते हैं, कोई taxation देता है, कोई ट्रेनिंग देखता है, कोई एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन होता है. एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन पहले होता नहीं था, अभी 9 सब कमिटीज हैव बीन फॉर्म्ड. सो देयर विल बी अनदर विंग कॉल्ड सेक्रेटरीट ऑफ एन एसोसिएशन. सेक्रेटरी होता है, सेक्रेटरी जनरल होते हैं. दे आर द पीपल हु कम टू योर हेल्प बिकॉज दे हैव द डेटाबेस. दे मैनेज देयर प्रीमाइसिस. उनका you can go through the office bearers who are the industry people or go through the secretariat. But सबका मोबाइल नंबर, सबका डेटाबेस आपको रेडी रखना चाहिए when you want to interact as an exhibition event organizer for the association. And this is our illustrative list. हमारा साहब को जो नाम याद आए उन्होंने लिस्ट किए होंगे. But there are plenty of them. अच्छा. See, thank you, but I don't know how I should answer this. Whenever an enterprise is formed, as I said, there are different associations for every trade. When a company reach to us for registering with the EPC, I would definitely advise them to have 3 membership, take membership in 3 associations, 3 types of associations. One is export, for exports, because I should name it number 1 only, but according to their preference it could be 2 or 3, I don't know, 1, 2 or 3, but when I advise I should say you should have a membership with an export body. It could be EPC or AEPC depending on your product sector. And if you have a multiple sector, it should be FIEO. There is another association which takes care of this. Second is, I advise them, if it's an industry, go with a local association, industry estate association. Third, if you can afford, you have a membership of a national level body like CII, ASSOCHAM or FICCI, because they have categories for MSME sector also. Because as an entrepreneur, he needs a multiple support system. And if we can have a membership or connection with these association, he would be almost, I would say, has developed a support system in 90% of his requirements. Because I had, in fact, earlier slide showed that what all the support the associations give it to them. See, for the challenges, if to get into all this, the new company getting into an association, the first is the financial, because he is a new company, financial constraints will be there, and if it is an MSME, it is almost a one-man show. Every day is a firefighting for him, and association comes last at his mind, because first is his production, getting money from the bank, compliances of the government, GST है, इनका टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल करने का है, then suppliers payment है, then buyers है, then getting people to work, infrastructure bottlenecks, power होती नहीं है, supply ठीक होती नहीं है, then he has to handle the power, local problem होता है, कोई आदमी आता है चंदा लेने के लिए, extortions के आते हैं. So these are all the his immediate needs for a small businessman who has to. Then that is also we face when we approach them. आप export करो भैया, member बनो, हम आपको exhibition लेके आते हैं. अरे सर क्या है export, अभी ये पहले जो है, let me solve it. Export देखेंगे. Export remains as an option. Simply for getting into an association, it remains as it is an option for him always. But the way we approach, even the association people approach them, suddenly what happens, how it happens, with my little experience, उसको कुछ problem आ जाता है. कोई local आदमी problem create करता है. Access to his company will not be there. Somebody is demanding मेरे आदमी को आप appoint करो. कोई टैक्स वाला आके something will happen, and his power supply problem erratic हो जाता है, and the electricity board is not listening to him. He will try, he will not get into. Then अरे बाबा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, somebody like me will, अरे why don't you reach out to your association body, yaar, they are the people who are there to help. Then he approaches an association. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है. But ऐसा बड़ा challenge तो नहीं है to get into an association. And since associations are multiple functions, and most of the associations are export promotion is not the major focus of all the associations. To make that person to participate in your exhibitions through the association से ज़्यादा आपको effort ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. You have to both to association to bring them into a forum. बुला लीजिए उनको association के premises में, बिठा दीजिए अपना president को, and then you talk about the exhibition, tell him. Then he will start thinking, because if you EPC को appointment नहीं देते हैं when we reach them, अरे आपको कंपनी में आते सब थोड़ा एग्जीबिशन के बारे में बात करेंगे. Then when we organize there in an association building, EPC along with the local association, if you call them, अरे सामने बैठ गया तो then we know how to convert them. अगर वो फोन पे चिट्ठी पे मेल कौन देखता है, hundreds of mails, फोन करो तो they are, I know everybody is busy firefighting में लगे रहते हैं. So they will find time and come, and if they listen, you have to develop that कि पता कर दिया, झूठ बोलो जो भी बोलो, then association है, आप है, because you have to establish credibility also. I will tell you, there is another thing. I don't want to say anything out of the way, but that is a fact that EPC organizing an event, IMTMA organizing an event for its member, okay, and Event, private event organizers organizing an event makes lot of difference to a member. हमारा तो क्रेडिबिलिटी एस्टेब्लिश हो गया ईपीसी ऑल ओवर, आईएमटीए में और ईमा उनका मेंबर्स के लिए. बट आपका और आप एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, आपका और वो कंपनी का क्या कनेक्शन है? क्या कनेक्शन है? इधर यूर शुड बी अ क्लास एग्जीबिशन, वर्ल्ड क्लास. 5 मिनट चलिए. तो देन दैट रोल ऑफ एसोसिएशन definitely helps you. If I call, I need not go to an association. जिंजर हट होटल में हम 50-60 लोग आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज ईपीसी, आईएमटीएम कॉल्स, ईमा कॉल्स, हमारा कोडिसिया कॉल्स और ठाणे एसोसिएशन कॉल्स, उनका लोग आ जाते हैं. एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक यूअर्स, इफ दे कॉल, देन यू हैव टू, if you want to, because exhibition to sales to you have to, either he should have been a participant of yours, he knows your strengths, उनको पता है एग्जीबिशन ठीक है, उनको पता है अच्छे एग्जीबिशन करने वाले हैं, एंड उनको पता है कि इफ आई पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट इवेंट दे विल, अरे मुझे फायदा होने वाला है. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ए न्यू पर्सन, दो यू आर डूइंग गुड एग्जीबिशन, बट हाउ डू यू रीच them? Though you are the best in the field. So that is where these people will, पहले आपको इनको कन्विंस करना पड़ेगा, ऑफिस बेयरर्स, देन सेक्रेटरीट को कन्विंस करना पड़ेगा, then you have to assemble, then you have to talk to them. So when you start talking, then they will try to, about 50 लोग होंगे, 20 लोग अरे रे बाबा ठीक है एग्जीबिशन, उसमें 10 लोग होंगे सोचेंगे हमको जाने का है, फाइनली 2 या 3 लोग आएंगे. That is how it is not any research theory, it is or something which it is available in books, but it is over our experience कैसे हमने करते हैं. So ये तो बता दिया एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन काउंसिल्स. यस, इफ यू आर इंटरनेशनल करते हैं, डोमेस्टिक करते हैं, इफ यू आर प्रोडक्ट स्पेसिफिक करते हैं, यस, लॉट ऑफ EPCs will help you. we are very open to you, बिकॉज हमारा तो डोमेस्टिक एग्जीबिशन है ही नहीं है. वी नेवर ट्रीट यू एज कॉम्पिटिटर्स, हम आपको कॉम्पिटिटर सोचते नहीं हैं. इसलिए हमारा कोई मेंबर को हेल्प होता है, वी विल वेलकम यू. इफ यू आर डूइंग एन एग्जीबिशन इन मशीन टूल, पंप्स और एनी प्रोडक्ट, टेक्सटाइल मशीनरी, कास्टिंग्स, फोर्जिंग्स, इंजीनियरिंग सेक्टर का है, मेडिकल डिवाइसेस, यू कम टू अस, होल हार्टेडली आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू डेवलप माई मेंबर. दूसरा नेगेटिव क्या है, आप हमारा कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं है. वी डोंट डू डोमेस्टिक एग्जीबिशंस, इंटरनेशनल आप करते रहिए. इफ यू आर देयर ऑल्सो वी डोंट माइंड, हमारा तो एस्टेब्लिश्ड हो गया है, वी आर डूइंग. इफ इंटरनेशनल एग्जीबिशन कोई और लेके आता है, क्यों, हमारा दूसरा फंक्शन है एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन, यू आर डूइंग माई फंक्शन. माई ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू प्रमोट एक्सपोर्ट्स, नॉट टू डू एग्जीबिशंस. अगर आप लोग करते हैं तो हम मेरा ही काम कर रहे हैं ना. सो दैट वी ऑल हेल्प, अपैरल वाले, कॉटन वाले, सिंथेटिक टेक्सटाइल वाले, वुलन वाले, सिल्क वाले, हैंडीक्राफ्ट वाले, पावरलूम वाले, जूट प्रोडक्ट्स वाले. सो वी ऑल हेल्प, वी ऑल आर मेंबर्स. हमारा तो 12,000 मेंबर्स है, जम एंड ज्वेलरी का 4,000 मेंबर है, फियो का 20,000 मेंबर है, प्लास्टिक का 3,000 मेंबर है. सो ऑलमोस्ट एक 40-50 हजार रेगुलर एक्सपोर्टर्स है. If you want to target 40 to 50,000 exporters, they are all registered in these 20-25 export promotion councils. Maybe 10-15% लोग register नहीं किए होंगे, or directly without our support they may be doing it. But if you want to think of export international, you will slowly, if you are, some people are doing international, some people are slowly graduating into international exhibitions. अगर इंटरनेशनल करते हैं तो you come to us and reach out to them, and maybe a lot of people are not giving database nowadays. पहले EPCP we used to publish, दे दो यार 500 रुपए दे दो, बुक दे दो. lot of we are not supposed to share data now, but हमारे साथ मिलके एक प्रोग्राम कर दीजिए, हम भी आएंगे, आप भी आएंगे, एड्रेस करिए. And similarly associations are also now doing that. No, if you ask them, हमारा email ID दे दीजिए, हाँ, आपका डिटेल्स दीजिए ना, नहीं नहीं हम नहीं दे सकते। हम साथ में प्रोग्राम करेंगे, हमारे सेमिनार हॉल आपको फ्री देंगे, नहीं तो 5,000 10,000 दीजिए, बिकॉज हमारा भी सैलरी देनी है, we have to run our associations. So they will organize a program for you, they will send you send a circular information, they will call people and you address them. That is how nowadays. Sir. See, logo, adding logo is just to build credibility to our activity. हम भी EPC, when it does, we put the logo of Government of India. We also want some type of credibility. When we do an event abroad, we add Government of India, Department of Commerce, Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs. अब आजकल मेक इन इंडिया जो मोदी जी का सिंह है वो भी लगा देते हैं. So associations sometimes demand that because they need to showcase that they are doing some programs to their members. उनके भी resources का problem होता है, but they have to do some activity. So they will advise you to put the logo. आपको क्या जाने वाला है? If it is going to benefit you in one way or the other, हम भी association का logo लगा देते हैं because they will give free of cost the hall. We say jointly we are organizing. So you can use their logo and save that cost. And if you are focusing on particular product sector, trade, or if you are focusing on an industry or area, you add their logo, then instead of you as an individual or an individual organization reaching, कोई logo देखता है तो it adds value. So either to save cost, to add credibility to our effort, add brand image to your effort, we have not felt anything wrong in putting somebody's logo. What authority we have to demand service from them? We need to know our authority ना. हमको चाहिए उनका support. So we cannot say आप ये करिए वो करिए भाई. They should do, they will try to advise them to do, but finally logo दिया बस यार. हमारा circular सबको distribute किया हो बस. हमको free में hall दिया, good. कोई आता है दोस्ती हो जाती है तो कोई हमारे साथ आ जाता है, that is good. So whatever they give, thoda bhi, we say we should be happy because there is no mandate. Mandate hai tabhi we cannot demand. There is no law that we should demand something from. There is no law, but in some of the cases they also get some benefit from our events. If they feel they get benefit, definitely they will support. They should feel that, no? You either make them feel that. That is how we should do. हमको भी कई we face these situations. चलिए ठीक है. अरे बाप रे, अब इधर सूरज साहब ऐसा ऐसा कर रहे मुझे पीछे से. Because somebody is waiting. No, for what? Either for a seminar or you are in the context of exhibitions. See, exhibitions, there are one thing, best thing would be the cost part. See, most of the government, the state government, they have some funds meant for supporting industry. And as I said, they cannot give money to individual companies or the individual industry. But the funds can be given to a group. So for participating in trade fairs, some money is there with the government, with the state government. Maybe central, I don't know, the ministry entertains associations because they support only the international trade fair as far as I know. Domestic, number two is associations are semi-political bodies. Okay, so most of the associations. So the ministers or the bureaucracies would like to pamper them कि वो खुश रखे, बिकॉज ये कंप्लेंट करेंगे ना मंत्री को जाके, चीफ मिनिस्टर को, ठीक नहीं ये लोग, आपका ब्यूरोक्रेट ठीक काम नहीं कर रहा है. सो उनको भी सपोर्ट, कीप देम इन गुड ह्यूमर. ये क्या होता है आपका एग्जीबिशन में, बिकॉज देर आर मेनी वेज, बट व्हाट प्रैक्टिकली विल हेल्प यू, दैट आई एम सेइंग, ए पैसा आप मांग सकते हैं. सो यू, इफ यू गो टू गवर्नमेंट, विल नॉट गिव यू. एसोसिएशन विल रीच आउट टू द गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, एंड दे विल आस्क कि हम इस एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, इंटरनेशनल और डोमेस्टिक, एंड माई मेंबर्स आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग, दिस इज द पार्टिसिपेशन कॉस्ट. सो यू, गवर्नमेंट कैन सपोर्ट द लोकल इंडस्ट्री इन पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दैट इवेंट. लॉट ऑफ इवेंट्स आर हैपनिंग. उस स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का लोगो, एसोसिएशन का लोगो वो फेशिया में लगेगा. देयर आर मेनी वेज दे कैन हेल्प, बट प्रैक्टिकली उनके पास कुछ ज्यादा होता नहीं है पैसे के मामले में. They can easily get money from the government for your events. Could even seminars also. Majority the trade fair participation के लिए उनके पास पैसा रहता है. But if you are if you want to, if there is a technical organization here, up technology upgradation, अगर आप ऐसा कुछ करते हैं, then management का कुछ training लेते हैं, training के लिए, that also they seek from the, because there are a lot of डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑल्सो. यहाँ मैत्री करके है, इन MIDC करके है, MSSIDC करके, दे हैव फंड्स फॉर सेमिनार्स. यू गो, दे वोंट गिव. सो इफ यू टेक ठाणे एसोसिएशन, दे विल राइट टू दोस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, गेट मनी, pass it on to you, you organize training seminars with that. So that is, they get people, they give you premises, they give logo, they get money from the government. That's what they can do. Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity, Suraj Saab and the organizers, all of them.
See, this has been a great session. Nadikar Saab is based in Mumbai. Most of you are Mumbai based. Invite yourself for a coffee. And they are based in Worli, and they can really help you out in so many things. 2 points I wanted to add to this. Number one, when you are planning an event, there are a lot of international associations based in India as well, with a country-specific or a region-specific mandate. The biggest example, Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, AmCham. So these are country associations who are in India already. So if you're getting an event from Germany, that should be the first point of contact for you. Second thing, as individual professionals,
can I move?
There are certain very good private associations which are professional associations. All India Management Association is a good professional membership which you can take, 1,000, 2,000 rupees. Some of you could also think of joining the local BNI chapter, AIMA, All India Management Association. So they give you professional memberships to individuals, not corporate. So as a person, you can become a member. And which is the oldest professional membership association in the world? Think about it. It's a question for you while we thank Nadika ji. Which is the oldest professional association for individuals, which is still growing very strong? What is that?